Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and go follow my Instagram. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be showing you guys 5 tips and tricks on how to move and make it easier to move in general. So you guys can tell that I have a different background in my video because I moved the second time in like 6 months, but should be our forever home, okay? If you guys want a Q&A about why I moved or what it's like moving, or if you guys want a complete tour of my room or house tour, y'all can comment that down below. I'll have a community tab. In my community tab, I'll ask you which video you want to see next and if you want to see those videos at all. Okay, now we're getting into today's video. Tip number 1 is always clean your house before you move, because if you do not clean your house before you move, you have a bunch of random things everywhere, okay? It's like so much more difficult to move when your house is messy than when it's clean, okay? That brings us into tip number 2, which is pack things organizedly, okay? I'm not an organized person, so I understand for the people who are not organized like me. That is very difficult, but you got to put makeup in one place, you got to put YouTube stuff in one place, assuming y'all don't have that. So y'all can put trophies in one place, y'all can put decor in one place, just like put like it in categories so it's easier to put up. Tip number 3 is when it enters your room, it goes up in your room, okay? So like what I mean by this is if you bring one box in, you got to unpack that box before you bring another box in. That's just kind of like the rule I use, because if I have 10 boxes in my room, I get very overwhelmed. You bring one box in, unpack it. It's really easy. Throw that box out, bring another box in, or 2 boxes at a time, or as much as you can handle, okay? Tip number 4 is when you pack small things and small heavy things in small boxes and larger light things in bigger boxes, okay? And this could be small light things or big heavy things. Like it could be just like put heavy things in small boxes because they're easier to lift, and big things that are light or light things in big boxes, okay? Number 5, the last tip for today, guys, is always use moving tools. This includes dollies, sliders, etc. And that makes it a lot easier to get it into your house. Like it just makes it a lot easier to get into your house. A little story time real fast. I like tripped and fell with like 5 boxes in my hand, and it hurt really badly, but like the dolly did not trip and fall. So the dolly had a lot more, stability, so just use the dolly, use sliders. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and go follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.